Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send BNB from Phantom Wallet to Exmo in 2025. If you're looking to move your BNB tokens smoothly and securely, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for any updates since crypto tech evolves quickly. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Phantom wallet with BNB in it. Phantom is that popular wallet for Solana and other chains, and an Exmo account, which is a reliable crypto exchange. If you don't have these, pause here and get them sorted. Step 1. Open your Phantom wallet app or extension. Log in securely with your password or biometric auth. Once you're in, navigate to your assets and select BNB from your wallet balance. You'll see an option to send or transfer. Click that. Next, head over to your Exmo account on their website or app. Go to the deposit section, select BNB, and copy the wallet address provided. This is crucial. Double check that it's the correct network, like BNB Smart Chain, to avoid any mix-ups. Back in Phantom, paste that Exmo wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of BNB you want to send, but remember to leave a little for network fees. Review the transaction details carefully, then hit confirm. You'll need to approve it with your wallet's security features. After that, sit tight. Transactions can take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, log back into Exmo and check your balance to confirm the BNB has arrived. A quick tip. Always use the correct network. BNB on the BNB Smart Chain works best here. And if you run into issues, like a failed transfer, it might be due to insufficient funds or the wrong address, so verify everything twice. There you have it, folks. You've just learned how to send BNB from Phantom to Exmo in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.